Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. Good news to those of you who aren't really a fan of this piece, or of multi-day drawing pieces, this one is coming to a close. I mean, I still have a little bit of tweaking to do, but generally I'm done with it, and I don't plan on doing any more speed painting videos of this. I have two big announcements or whatever that has to do with my art, so I figured I would make that the subject of this video. So the first big one, I'm officially a Twitch affiliate now. It's all very exciting, and I hope to expand my presence on there a bit more with a real schedule and whatnot, so people will know when they can catch me live. But don't worry, I'll still be posting here as well. For those of you who aren't familiar with Twitch, being an affiliate means that people can subscribe to my stream, which is different from YouTube in that subscriptions on Twitch cost money. You have followers, which are kind of like subscriptions here on YouTube, where it's free and it lets you know when those people are going live and they show up in your followed streamers thing. And then you have subscribers who pay a monthly fee. It's 100% optional. It's totally just like if you like the streamer and you want to support them kind of thing. I guess similar to Patreon. And it's even better if you have Amazon Prime, because with Prime, if you link it to your Twitch, you get a free subscription that can go towards whoever you want for the month. It's pretty neat. So as a sub, some of the other perks are that you would get access to subscription-only emotes that you can use all over Twitch and on Discord. Some streamers will also invite subscribers to play games with them, although at the moment I'm not a gaming streamer, I'm only doing creative. So that wouldn't really be a perk that I'd be offering, but I've also seen quite a few artists do subscriber-only giveaways, which, you know, is another perk. But yeah, I mean, I still have a lot to think about with what direction I'd like to go with this, but it's nice that I have my foot in the door now, you know? So if you want to follow me on Twitch, there'll be a link to my channel down below, or you could follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and I post on there when I plan on going live. The next announcement thing is that I've opened up stores on Society6 and on Imprint. These are two sites that are like print-on-demand kind of places. Society6 offers a lot of options to be printed on, such as mugs, shower curtains, laptop sleeves, etc., as well as on paper or canvas, whereas Imprint only does high-quality art prints and phone cases. I decided to open a store with each site because I figured, what's the harm in that? And if one person is familiar with either one of these sites more than the other, then they can feel comfortable ordering from the site that they know. So initially, when I started selling art prints, I decided to shoulder the burden of printing everything on demand by myself and handling the shipping and whatnot, but after doing that for a while, I decided that that wasn't really for me. I do plan on keeping my original storefront up so that I can sell original works and other things that would be handled by myself, but for a majority of my prints, I think that I'm going to be using Society6 and Imprint for now. I feel like that's the best option for me. So I'll have a link to each one of those down below. And that's pretty much it, announcement-wise anyway. I think I'm gonna let this video finish out now. It was a lot of footage, like 14 hours or something, so there's probably quite a bit of video left.
it. I'm not the one I used to be. Got someone else infusing me. Say, is this when I gave or I gave up? It's like I know what to say, but something's getting in the way. This person that you so admire, now stuck in such a bad attire.
On the road. Yeah. Oh my God,
Do it for my own homies, they be back home, still homegrown. Trying hard to get back at it, but no one knows where I'm going. Running around like a jaguar, now I'm headed back to the tropics. Going hard for my fam, yeah, now I'm headed back with a profit, yeah.
Always one step ahead, but I can't seem to feel a moment. I'll be peeking through doors, every one of them carefully closing. You don't need to tell, I'm out of time. Felt it trickle into the heart of mine. Say, is this when I gave or I gave up? It's like I know what to say, but something's getting in the way. This person that you so admire, now stuck in such a bad attire.
on the road. Oh my God, some more. Oh my God, some more money.
And here it is, all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you later this week.